So I wanted to do this video of me just talking through me installing the wig on myself, like a real time type of thing. So whenever I really want my wigs to stay, I think I do about 2 layers, 2 thin layers, and you'll be surprised on how secure that is when it's just 2 layers. So with your glue being clear, this is good enough for me. So to help me lay a little bit, I'm gonna cut it into parts, but so then I can just like lay the parts down. Each part I'm about to spray. Take this comb, go like this, make sure it's stuck, but I'm not gonna show. So this is too much hair, so I'm gonna take this and pull this out. So I really like for my natural forehead to show. Like I don't like my wigs all the way down, like feeling too low. So that's why I'm ripping this out. Oh! This is kind of strong. This looks so much better to me. Guys, never be scared to customize your wig into what you personally want it to look like. Like I used to be so scared to pluck my wigs more, bleach them more, because like wigs cost a lot of money. But if you really want your wig to look good, you have to handle it with heavy hands. So to cut my lace, I'm using this. These aren't sharp enough to me, but I just make them work. After I do this part, I put my band on again. And how long I have my band on? Literally about 3 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes, no longer. Get you a blow dryer, dry it, move on. Try to remember, guys, lace is lace. You will be able to see it in some form of light. If it's fabric, you'll be able to learn to ignore it. Just look at your hair. As long as the lace is blended enough to blend in with your skin tone, honestly. Yeah. Putting your own wig on is definitely a frustrating process, and it takes practice. End result for melting the lace. Please do your best to buy the thinnest lace. That will give you the most skin-like look. My next part, I will be showing you how to do the edges on the wig. I'm gonna do some really, well, you'll see. So go to part 2. So I'll show you how to do the edges, and then I'm gonna decide on the style and all that.